Jonathan. I'm with Appliance Factory, and today we're going to show you how to take the bins out of the freezer of this Frigidaire fridge. Let's get into it. First, you want to open the door, and then the bottom bin here has two clips here and here. We just need to pull those out. And then we will grab the bottom bin by the front and lift it forward. And the top one is just on a set of rails, so they will just pop right up. Come out just like that. We're going to reverse it, and we're going to start with the bottom bin first. So we'll go back in first. There we go. In the top bin, we have to pull out our drawers again. And these little clips will go into our sides right here to secure it. Clicks in, we're good. Slide it in, and before we close our drawer, we need to make sure we put our clips back. Straight part down. They just pop right in. Same with the other side, straight part down. And that is how we take the bins out of a Frigidaire refrigerator.